What's going on, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here with a fan video. And today I'll be showing you the CEI cane bladed brass ceiling fan that Tori picked up at his local Habitat store not too long ago. It's a pretty neat little fan, typical late 80s fan. Like it, looks really good on it. Alright, we'll start off on low.
It's actually the first time I've seen that.
They might need a bearing replacement.
This is something you'd see in like an old, 80s diner or a buffet. Alright, now we'll go to medium.
Ew, what's that?
Ew, it's been leaking.
Ew. What's that, brother?
So, no matter how much oil you dump into it, it's not really
Blows
that problem.
some air, but not a whole lot. Alright, now we'll go to high.
So it just needs new bearings then? Or is it
Good, decent. Actually blows a decent amount of air on high. Not too shabby. Cane blades. Alright, now we'll turn it off.
Oh, that sounds good. Did you fix it? Oh shit. I guess it's good for now. Is there a chance it could have been like the plastic blade rubbing against the motor making that swishing sound? Whatever.
Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this short video of the CEI Ceiling Fan, and as always, more to come later. God bless.